Can't touch this asset, can't touch this thing. No physical substance, but profits it brings. Can't touch this asset, but value so real. IAS 38's got that intangible feel. What's this thing I cannot touch? What's an intangible? Let me break it down neat. It's an asset with no body, no hands and no feet. Non-monetary resource that you control with might. Future economic benefits flowing day and night. Identifiable means it's separable for sure, or from legal rights it stems, that's the legal cure. Patents and software dancing in the air. Customer lists and trademarks everywhere. Can't touch this asset, can't touch this thing. Touch, but your balance sheet's lit. Recognition, the gatekeeper's test. 2 criteria guard the door, don't you dare forget. Probable future benefits, place your recognition bet. Cost measurement reliable, that's the second key. Both conditions must be met for asset entry free. Business combination, fair values presumed, but internally generated, your hopes might be doomed. If you can't meet both tests, expense it right away. No reinstatement later, that's the IAS way. Research versus development battle. Research phase spending, expense it, don't cry. You're still searching for knowledge, reaching for the sky. Development's different when feasibility's clear. Capitalize those costs when success is near. Technical feasibility, commercial viability too. And intent and ability, that's what you must prove. Generate future benefits and measure the cost. Meet all 6 criteria or your capital's lost. Can't touch this asset, but value so real. IAS 38's got that intangible feel.
Don't touch this.
Internal brands, don't touch expensive.
Customer list.
You made, don't touch, can't sense it.
Custom concentrated.
Don't touch, just forget. And promotion, don't touch, place your bet. These items hit expense the moment they arrive. No asset recognition, they won't survive. When incurred means when goods or services received. Prepayments are assets till benefits achieved. Final hook with big finish. Can't touch this asset, but it drives our growth. Customer relationships and licensing. Touch, can't put your hands on it, but IAS 38 helps us count every bit. From patents to software, from brands to franchises, IAS 38 helps us count all the prizes. Check IAS 38 and capitalize it. Ho!